In my last post, I told you about my patient. She had plantar fasciitis caused by Hallux Limitus, functional Hallux Limitus, and limited ankle dorsiflexion. Also, she had heel spur, which is being confirmed by taking X-ray. To address these two problems, I treat my patient using foot and ankle manipulation therapy. Also, I provide her with insole orthotics to relieve the pain and to improve the range and quality of motion within the hallux. For the heel spur, I done this cut and cushioning, and the heel spur will drop over here. For the functional Hallux Limitus, as I told you in my previous video, there are 3 ways to address this problem. The first one, using 3 quarter orthotics, which I explained in my previous video. The second way, we're going to use a full orthotics, and we're going to do kinetic wedges, which I'm going to show you how to do it now. You need, for this, you need last azote material, 3 millimeter. You need EVA, this is medium density, Shore A50, 3 millimeter. If your patient is heavy, is above 70 kilograms, you need to use EVA high density Shore around A65, okay? And you need also bone material for cushioning. This is around 6 millimeter, which I use it for the air. For the kinetic wedge, I'm going to use the EVA medium density 3 millimeter. The Shore is A50. You need to decide where's the anatomy. Anatomy is very important to do these kinetic wedges, and you need to put the orthotics against the patient's foot, and you need to decide where the first MBG, when you dorsiflex the hallux as well, you could see it, and you draw the first MBG. We're going to cut this first MBG. You cut it nicely. You need a little bit sharp scissors for this. Go around it. Now we haven't cut over here. Okay? You need to bring now the EVA, and the end of the EVA I already draw it over here. This is the end where it's behind the first MBG. You take around 1.5 centimeters, and this will stay over here like this, yeah? Like this. We're going to draw the cut over here. You need your pen. You do the similar, just cut it, go around it. It need to be the same cut inside the orthotics, will be the same with the kinetic wedge. This cut as well, where we decide. And now it's came exactly like this. Okay? Now we're going to shape the top of it. leave this side. We're going to shape the other one. Just reduce the thickness, make it a little bit comfortable to your patient. Okay, like this. Now I'll put some glue, and I glue it, and I'll show you how it will be finished. This is the kinetic wedge after I glue it, and this how will appear. Actually, we're going to put a cover using Plastazot 3mm to cover it, but before that we need to smooth it a little bit from this side and the bottom to make it a little bit comfy to the patient. If you have small drill with sandpaper, you could use it easily. We're going to smooth this area a little bit. And after that, we try to smooth the top of it. Now it's nice and smooth. We do the back one as well. This is how it finished. We leave this side, we don't smooth it this way. We need the drop of the first MPG joint, and this allows the hallux to dorsiflex. Also this side, we don't smooth it, and the point is we're going to lift the lateral forefoot a little bit, and this will relieve the pain or relieve the pressure from the plantar fascia. I'll clean it up and I will cover it, and I'll show you the final product. And this is the final product for functional Hallux Limitus using EVA medium density around the shore is A50. We done the kinetic wedges. What this will do, it will plantarflex the first MPG, allowing the hallux to dorsiflex maximum between 65 to 70 degrees, which is required in Wendel's mechanism. If you have a patient, as I mentioned before, heavy patient above 70 kilos, you need to use AVA high density shore A65. I hope this will be something you could do at the office for your next functional Hallux Limitus patient. Thank you for watching.